All right, guys, welcome back. This is Project One. Who are you? Basically, what we're going to do is go through all the episodes 1 through 4 that hopefully you've already watched. And we're going to make a game with the knowledge that we've learned. Okay, so the game's called Who Are You? Yeah, sorry. Super popular. I'm just getting blown up with texts. Anyways, once you can code like I can, you just become instantly famous. Anyways, pound include IOStream. Gotta get that. Check that off. Pound include string. Check. Using namespace so that we can write more formally. We have to use all the std : stuff. We set up our main routine right here on line 7. And we dive right into declaring variables. So we have a character variable, which is going to be our answer, the player's answer to our first initial question. And then a string called favorite color for when they input their favorite color. A string called player answer string that is set to the empty string right now, just so that there's no undefined activity going on. This should actually be set to 0 here, and this should also be set to the empty string. Okay, so let's see what's going on in the code. Let me walk you guys through it. So ignore this here colon. We'll get back to it. So we go through and we introduce our player to the game. We say, hello, welcome to Who Are You? The game that is going to tell you who you really are. Are you ready? Then we show them the prompt that they can answer with, yes, Y for yes or N for no. And then they enter their choice. If they're ready, we C in it to the player answer. We end the line. If they're ready, this condition checks out. We have this OR statement here because we're assuming that the player's just plain stupid, they're not going to pay attention if it's lowercase or capitalized, so we just make it easy for them and just accept both. Okay, we're nice people, pat yourself on the back for being a nice person. Cool, that makes you feel good. All right, what is your favorite color? Give them a prompt. They can choose green, red, blue, blank. You can enter it as many choices as you want. Get creative, some of those Crayola colors like forest green, neon yellow, lime, sludge blue, cool ice red, get crazy, have fun. We'll let them see in the favorite color, their input. I actually want to change this. I want to do if favorite color equals green or equals red or blue or blank. Let's get that up there. Come on. There we go. Or fav color equals blank, then have fav color equals fav color. Ooh, crazy. So if fav color equals green, red, blue, or blank, any of our choices we give them, then we're just setting it equal to itself. You basically don't have to do that. That's just reiterating. It's just showing you what we're doing. You don't have to put this here. Okay. Else, we're going to see out, else fav color equals, your color is so very creative and abstract, I shall remember this forever. Cool. All right, just in case they're really dumb and they don't see the color choices up here that we have laid out for them, and they enter, say, teal because they're a really boring guy over the age of 70. That's the only people that their favorite color should be teal. Then if they enter that, we're going to be nice to them and not say that your color sucks, but we're going to tell them that, hey, you know what? Your color is so very creative and you're such an abstract thinker that I'm going to remember this forever, you know? All right, cool. Then we're going to go on and we're going to see out what is your age. They're going to enter something in. We're going to take it in. We're going to see out what's your major goal in life. We're going to see and ignore. No, that's not meaning, you know, you just ask that question and you ignore their answer because you don't really care. No, see and ignore is what it's doing is it just is ignoring the stream. So anything that is left over from any previous CN statements. So say someone entered their age and they entered, let's say they entered 45 space 100 because they were drunk and they entered what age their grandma is as well. Well, then 100 is going to be left in the stream. So we're going to ignore anything else that's in the stream. So we ignore that 100. And then we're using a get line statement. That is this get line statement here, which is taking the entire string that is entered, this entire sentence that the player is going to be entering, that is their major goal in life, and it's going to be storing it in this player answer string variable. Cool. Now from the very beginning we said if the player answers Y, lowercase or capital, we're going to run through our input section of the game. Well, what happens if they don't, you know? If they don't, I mean, come on, we spent so much time making this game, we really want them to play, so we're going to ask them again. And you know what, if they say no, we're going to ask them again. And we're going to keep asking them again and again and again forever because we just spent so much time and we dedicated ourselves to this and we know that it's a good game. And so we just want to do them a favor and have them play the game. So we're not going to use a loop because I haven't taught you guys how to use loops. If you know how to use loops, go ahead, use a loop. What we're going to do instead is just use a simple hack. It's a code hack. Not too many people use it. It's really simple and it's really underlooked and undervalued. It's called a go-to statement. Go-to. That's why it's called go-to. You literally write go-to. And so we're going to write else. They didn't write Y. We're going to go to wherever we have this keyword here. Okay. So we put our keyword here above the cout statement. Hello, welcome to Who Are You? The game that is going to tell you who you really are. Are you ready? And so it's going to be asking them again. It's going to be prompting them over and over and over again until they finally get sick of being prompted and hit Y or break their computer or you know, give it to a friend to play because it's just so amazing. So they finally hit Y and we go on and we create some separation with 3 end L's. And then we start seeing out some stuff. We say, hey, you know, you're easy to understand. Let me tell you who you are. Get ready for this. Your favorite color is fav color, which just calls on that variable and outputs it. I wouldn't say it looks good on you, but it's not that bad of a color. Then we're going to see out their age, say some stuff, do age manipulation. Age manipulation is just a fancy way of saying we're going to multiply age by a number to make it seem bigger than your age is. Woo-hoo. Sounds cooler when we say we're going to do some age manipulation. Then see out some small talk, you know, because we want to be friendly with these people. We're going to see out some more separation, and we're going to say, hey, thanks for playing, you know, because we're nice people. We want to say thank you, P&Ts, you know, please and thanks. So thank you for playing. Now I really do know you, and we're going to finish off like always, returning 0, telling ourselves what? Yeah, I can't hear you, but we're telling ourselves that no errors occurred and we have reached the end of the code. Woohoo! Yeah, so I think that was under 5 minutes. I don't know, I'll have to check the clock, but stop me there because that was the end of the actual code. I'm going to take it over to Xcode and run it for you guys, and we're going to have some fun. Okay, Xcode. Slapped it in there. Okay, 1 error. What is it? Let's see. Right there. Equals 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 equals. All right, see you guys Even I make some errors sometimes. Ah, okay. Wow, that was dumb. Right there. Where's the error? Hold on, hold on. No, that's good. Looks good to me, guys. Let's run this. Run that. Oh, quality comparison result unused. That's why. Okay. Yeah, I'm a little tired, but you know, it wasn't horrible errors. Build failed again. What is going on, guys? Let's see. Oh, of course. You can't just write paragraphs in code. All right. Let's make this big. Boom. Full screen this. All right. Hello. Welcome to Who Are You? The game that's going to tell you who you really are. Are you ready to play? Nah. Oh, it's telling me twice. Twice is nice. So obviously there's a small error there. That's for you guys to figure out what's going on. Coded that in this little Easter egg for you guys to have fun with. Okay, yeah, we're ready to play now. Let's go. What's your favorite color? Green. Like money. Well, unless like Canadian dollars. I think those are beige or something. Who knows? What is your age? 21. Just today I turned 21. I could have gone to Vegas, but instead I chose to, you know, record a video. I thought that was just as fun. I know. Thanks, guys, for all the happy birthdays. It means a lot. What is your major goal in life? Oh, jeez. Let's see. Eat sushi with a dolphin. You know, that seems pretty cool. What is this? So, you are easy to understand. Let me tell you who you are. Your favorite color is green. I wouldn't say it looks good on you, but it's not a bad color. Alright, cool. That's not that nice. Your age is 21, but truthfully, you could easily pull off 31 and a half. This is a compliment if you're trying to look older. Okay, if you're not, or if you weren't going for that, then sorry, maybe you should go get some beauty sleep instead of finishing this game. Oh, wow. It's kind of mean when I wrote this. Even though you might not be stylish when it comes to your favorite color, you might have a few too many rings under those eyes. At least your drive for life is admirable. If you are trying to get the attention of a special someone, I might lead with talking about how your major life goal is to eat sushi with a dolphin. That should give you the best chance for a happy ending to this soon-to-be-over love story. Huh. Thank you for playing. Now I really do know you. All right. That's a fun game. Totally going to play that again. Maybe later. Nope, later. Come on. Okay. Anyways, so that's how it works. You guys got a hang of it. You know, add some other features to it. Make it a really long trivia game, or make it like an adventure game. You know, just have fun with it. You can answer different questions, set up different responses, set up different comparisons that you have to make. Maybe every time you replay it, the integer count is offset so that different results happen. So no one player turn is the same. You know, every time they replay it, it's different. Just have some fun, adventure around. Send me your code so I can play your games when you guys are done. You know, I'd love to do that. All right, guys. Thanks for everything.